Hello friends, welcome to Secret of Electronics. In this video, we will learn how to interface a ultrasonic sensor with the 8085 microcontroller. This circuit diagram demonstrates the interfacing of a ultrasonic sensor and a SST1306 OLED display with a 8085 microcontroller. The 8085 operates at 5V and has connections for both peripherals. The ultrasonic sensors, trigger and echo pins are connected to PV3 and PV4 of the 8085 respectively to measure distance. The SST1306 OLED display communicates by the I2C protocol with SDA PV0 and SCL PV2 connected accordingly. Both peripherals share the same 5V power supply. This setup allows the microcontroller to measure distance using the ultrasonic sensor and display the results on the OLED screen. The given Arduino code is designed to interface a SCSR04 ultrasonic sensor and a SST1306 OLED display with a 8085 microcontroller to measure and display distance in centimeters. The code begins by including the TinyWire-M and Tiny4K OLED libraries, which facilitate I2C communication for the OLED display since the 8085 does not have built-in I2C hardware. It then defines the trigger underscore pin as PV3 and echo underscore pin as a PV4 for the ultrasonic sensor. In the setup function, these pins are configured as output and input respectively. The OLED display is initialized using the TinyWire-M.begin function, followed by clearing the screen, turning on the display and setting the font style. The getDistance function is responsible for measuring the distance using the ultrasonic sensor. It first sends a short high pulse 10 microseconds on the trigger pin to trigger the sensor. The echo pin then receives the reflected ultrasonic pulse and its duration is measured using the pulse-in function. This duration is then converted to distance in centimeters using the formula distance equal to duration multiplied by 0.034 divided by 2, where 0.034 centimeter per microsecond is the speed of sound in air. In the loop function, the measured distance is obtained by calling getDistance function. The OLED screen is cleared before displaying the text distance on the first line, followed by the actual distance value with the unit centimeter on the second line. The display is updated every 500 milliseconds using the delay 500 function to ensure a smooth refresh rate. This allows the 8085 to continuously measure and display real-time distance values on the SST1306 OLED screen. Now we will use a Arduino Nano as a ISP programmer to upload code to the 8085 microcontroller. I have already uploaded the Arduino ISP program to my Arduino Nano board, so I will not be explaining it from the beginning. If you want a detailed tutorial on how to program the 8085 microcontroller using a Arduino Nano as a ISP programmer, then you can watch our detailed tutorial by clicking the I button. Now we need to connect the ISP pins of the 8085 microcontroller to the ISP pins of the Arduino Nano. Please connect these pins according to the diagram displayed on the screen. Now open the Arduino IDE and install the Tiny4K OLED and TinyWire-M libraries. You can see that I have already installed both libraries. After installing the libraries, connect the Arduino Nano board to the PC using a USB cable. Once connected, open the code file, which you can download from the link given in the description. After opening the code file, select the correct settings under the Tools menu. Once all settings are selected, click the Upload button in the Arduino IDE. Now that the code has been uploaded to the 8085 microcontroller, Connect all the components according to the main circuit diagram we discussed at the beginning of this tutorial. Now you can see that when I move a object in front of the ultrasonic sensor, then the distance displayed on the SST1306 OLED display also changes. If you liked this video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch our upcoming interesting tutorials.